Okay, we're back in part 2. Just want to open presents still. So that'll be amazing because you know what it is, because
George,
now we're sending
say cheese.
cheese. That's why you say cheese. Cheese Squeezy Lemon Squeezy, thank you so much. Another one please, thank you. Another one is always to be. Same Voyage, that is from that one as well. Garfield, that's vague. Garfield. London, 40 miles. Let's open this up and see what happens, because this one of those things put up. So here we go. Open it up here. Voila. That's brilliant. Voila.
Auntie Claire says Merry Christmas, Georgie.
Yeah, thanks. And also Twindle
Cube.
a Twindle cube.
Not quite sure what he does.
Yeah.
You can twiddle with it.
Yeah, I could twiddle the cube. Here we are. A Belgian milk chocolate coins right here. There's the milk chocolate coins, and they're coming from that chocolate coin. What's this one? Orange.
Yeah. Oh, we've got to have an orange.
Yes, already got the orange there.
Now, do you want to come down and open your tree presents?
Yeah, tree presents. Yeah, that'll be great as well. Tree presents, all you need.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Come on down then.
Okay. That's all I could say. Here we are. The tree presents right here. The trees full of presents. I didn't know what this is because what has been going on, because that's amazing. Wow. There's a full of presents. There's a tree over here full of presents right there. So I'm gonna open it up. So this will be like, yeah, I just want to go what it is, because this is one of those fantastic, wonderful times of the year. So yeah, it was an exciting time for the year because it's Christmas, and now we've just got into a Christmas spirit. So, and its candles are fantastic. Let's get the day started. Let's get open the presents and see what's inside of the presents, because this is what those presents looks like. Okay.